So Google is rolling out a new app campaign to remarket to existing users. Starting this year, app campaigns for engagement will also include custom prompts from users while shown in search. These campaigns can feature new offers and content to bring back users who haven't used the app in a while, have products in their care, or are likely to make a purchase. This is an automated campaign type which serves as dynamically on Google properties. These campaigns will also be linked to data or to product feeds from Google's Merchant Center. To be eligible for this campaign type, your app needs to be an audience size of at least 250,000 installs. Don't forget to get these updates straight to your inbox. Subscribe using the link in the description.